Amidst strict adherence to government protocol, the Seng Khasi along with Lumsohpetbneng Committee and Committee of Elders or TYMMEN had organized a low-key but annual ritualistic Kiew Rngiew ceremony on the 6th of February 2022 at the sacred Lumsohpetbneng. Also taking part in the ceremony were elders of the SEINRAIJ, Shillong and JOWAI, leaders of various circles of the Seng Khasi and others. Before the procession to Lumsohpetbneng, prayers were offered to KMIE and Sohpetbneng and the SEINRAIJ at the entry to the area, which followed the order of rituals held earlier at Ulum Dorbar Lau Nongkro. Prayers at the entry were offered to ward off all evils that may exist in society and to ask the Almighty for His guidance throughout the year. As the procession headed towards Lumsohpetbneng, the chairman of Lumsohpetbneng Committee, Elder I Sun, offered prayers for a better sowing and reaping season, for a good environment, and for good health of one and all. After the ritualistic cleaning of the altar, prayers led by the chairman of the Committee of Elders or TYMMEN, Elder Skor Jala, were again offered at Lumsohpetbneng in the presence of representatives of various committees and circles of the Seng Khasi, Seng KMIE and SEINRAIJ. In this particular area, prayers were offered to the Almighty for His blessings and for the forgiveness of sins and other wrongdoings of all. The entire ceremony culminated in the distribution of consecrated rice or ukhaue, kaushan, ukhaukhen, and drink for each member of the congregation to partake.
Ni Seng Khasi kasela hakani kedua saudara-saudara ulum makatan sohpetbneng ngimdal kulit ngimdal sipai banda banpet banjiro ya kino Kidusmon, Kinole Jabo, Kinole Bishmi, Nadu, Bang Prasyo, Yang Marshall, Kam Jesu.
Hangte hakaduan kedupat berkendang onda pelayo berpediang yo kawe kausan onda pelayo bantong ya kau siapa upaya kau pinrak sekali yang langsung menubi suba nangin
Eh,